Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also create PDF documents from within Adobe applications. As shown in the lesson titled Creating PDFs Using the PDF Printer, you can use the print function to convert documents to PDF. However, in Adobe software, you can also create a PDF by selecting File, Save As from the menu bar to open the Save As dialog box. In this dialog box, select where you want to save the new PDF. Then click the Format or Save As Type drop-down to display a menu of format choices. Select Adobe PDF or Photoshop PDF or whatever PDF choice is available within your specific Adobe application. You can then enter a name for the file into the File Name field and set any application-specific PDF save settings that are shown. Then click the Save button. The Save Adobe PDF dialog box appears. This dialog box lets you set any application-specific file conversion options. You can adjust compression settings, marks and bleeds, output settings, and security features, among others, depending on the specific Adobe application you're using. When you have the settings the way you want, click the Save PDF button. Depending on the options you chose, you may see a pop-up message informing you of any possible issues. Read the messages shown and then click OK in any that appear. A new PDF file is then created and saved to the specified folder.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.